Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can add signature on Gmail. So log into Gmail first. After login, you should go here, settings, see all settings. Then in general tab, you'll find here the signature, but you don't need to find manually. What you can do is click press Ctrl plus F, and you'll find just write here signature. Okay, then you'll find here signature. Now you have to click here create new. You can see here's no signature, so create new and add your signature here. Okay, your signature is added. If you want to create another, you can do this. Just put here your signature name. Okay guys, if you want to delete the signature, just you can see here trash bin, go delete, like this, delete. So guys, this is how you can put signature and delete signatures on Gmail. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.